What's going on, guys? So I'm at the grocery store picking up stuff for Thanksgiving, and I saw this. So zero sugar Coca-Cola Holiday Creamy Vanilla. So is this gonna taste like vanilla Coke, or is it actually something different? I don't know. So we're gonna find out together in just a moment. Hang on, let me put you down and slide you forward. Okay, there we go. I'm back. All right, put that cap over there. Here we go. Smells like vanilla Coke. All right, cheers. No. It's vanilla Coke on steroids. It's like extra vanilla-y. Is that a word, vanilla-y? It's vanilla Coke. It's certainly creamy, but it's nothing special. They got me. They got me with the word holiday. Holiday creamy vanilla. If it was just creamy vanilla, who cares, right? But I gotta try the holiday creamy vanilla. Mwah, mwah. So, I mean, if you like vanilla Coke, cool. It's a stronger version. But this has nothing to do with the holidays. Disappointing. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Let me know if there's any cool snacks and stuff I'm missing. Try not to buy junk food. Because it's a zero Coke, I didn't care. I don't mind trying different drinks if they have a zero version of it. But really staying away from, chips and cookies and all the other stuff. I mean, there's new flavors every day pretty much now. Doesn't really matter. You know what I mean? I'm not really missing out. But anyway, that's it. Hope you have a good one. See you guys tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.